Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Also, welcome if you are new. My name is Kayla Boo. Thank you for tuning into this YouTube video this afternoon. And today for you guys, I am doing a huge mini brands / mini verse opening of the capsules. So I have accumulated so many mini verse and mini brands capsules. They've just been sitting in my room for so many months. I have not gotten around to opening them up because I tend to buy things, keep them in bags for a while, and then I won't open them up till like several months later. But this video has been long overdue. I'm just going to do a huge opening of all of my different mini verse and mini brands capsules. This is probably going to be a really long video because I have quite a different wide variety of mini brands capsules that I would like to open up for you guys. I have SpongeBob, Fashion Mini Brands, Taco Bell, Ulta Beauty, and then just a bunch more. So if this is a video that would interest you guys, please continue to watch this video from beginning to end because it would really help out my YouTube channel and all my YouTube videos. So, and I wanted to mention that today, on the day that I'm actually filming this video, I wanted to mention that the day that I'm actually filming this YouTube video today is Friday, July 31st. So happy Friday to all of you guys. I hope you guys have been having a great Friday. Whatever you guys have been up to, I hope it's been a really great day for you guys so far. But I have so many different mini brands / mini verse capsules that we're going to open up together. Taco Bell, Fashion Mini Brands, SpongeBob, but all different wide varieties that I'm just combining into this one video. So sit back, relax, go grab your favorite snack and or drink, and come back and watch this video while you eat your favorite snack and or drink. And again, I'm filming this video on a Friday. It's Friday, July 31st, 2026. So again, happy Friday to all of you guys. And without further ado, I'm just going to get started because I have a lot of different capsules that I'm going to open up with you guys, and I don't want this video to be too long. So starting off with the ones that I just have sitting on my bed over here, this is Fashion Mini Brands Series 4. I've never been into the Fashion Mini Brands that much, but this is Fashion Mini Brands Series 4. I have this huge Ziploc bag that I'm going to put the stuff that comes inside of these capsules, but we're going to open up this one first. Again, this is the Fashion Mini Brands Series 4. So, got the paper off. Now we're going to just open this up and see what this Fashion Mini Brands Series 4 entails. This is a collector's guide, and it comes in pouches. First pouch has this little tiny purse. Really cute and simple. Nothing too crazy about it. So I'm just opening these for fun. And then this Fashion Mini Brands, I don't want it to clutter up in my room, so I'm just going to put it in a Ziploc bag until further notice. So I'm going to set the stuff aside on that Ziploc bag. So there's just 2 pouches in this capsule. Oops. Okay, got that. First piece, that's really tiny. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be. Ooh. So that's what was inside the second pouch. We have some really tall, like fancy, like Barbie doll type boots. And stuff that I'm assuming goes inside the purse. I'm pretty sure this might be a tiny perfume bottle. And then lipstick. So that's all that was inside of that Fashion Mini Brands Series 4 capsule. I'm not even sure what purse we got, but that's the collector's guide. Fashion Mini Brand Series 4. It's a cool concept, but that was one of my first capsules I've ever gotten from that series. Next, this is the excuse me. Next, this is the Miniverse Make It Own SpongeBob SquarePants themed edition. When I saw that Miniverse Make It Mini SpongeBob SquarePants edition existed, you know I had to get myself some because SpongeBob SquarePants is one of my favorite series / shows of all time, so I had to get this for myself. I just think opening up the papers from different mini brands capsules, it's satisfying when you hear that nice tear because you know there's going to be something good inside. Okay, there we go. Now, I like that the capsule is kind of similar to SpongeBob's Pineapple, just a smaller version of it. So I'm going to open this up and see what's inside of it. We have lots to go through with this one. We have the iconic Krusty Krab table. Some instructions. Krusty Krab kitty meal. I'm going to assemble this all later, but this is the leg to the table, so here's the table all put together. And then the stuff to make whatever we have to make. So we got tongs and whatever this is. A lettuce or the top of SpongeBob's pineapple. These look like they could be tomatoes. Not really sure. This is going to be a lot to clean up at the end. We have Krusty ketchup and another little like tube top. These are tiny, tiny pieces. And then the next one, we have slider patties. The toppings for the Krabby Patty. And we have some kelp fries. So that's everything that was inside of here. And I'm pretty sure there might be stuff inside the kids' meal container. It does definitely feel like there's something inside of there. But let's see what we're going to be making. This is really neat. It doesn't mean I'll have time to put this together necessarily, but this is the collector guide if I ever want to take time out of my day to put this stuff together. Next, this is another SpongeBob Make It Mini Miniverse capsule. I had 2 of them. Not sure why I picked up 2. These Make It Minis Miniverse, where you have to make the items yourself, they are time consuming and they take time, like literal time out of your day to make them, but totally worth it if you have the time. Well, I wouldn't say it's totally worth it. It's just, if kids are into this type of thing, I would say it's totally worth it. I know this video is going to be really long, and I'm sorry about that, but I've just been wanting to open these up, and I finally got the opportunity to sit down and film this video, so, and I know me just opening these up would not be fun for you guys, so that's why I'm talking to you guys as I open these up. So, again, in the shape of SpongeBob's pineapple, but smaller. So let's see what this has me to make. Okay. Everything that's in here, we got ABC soup, job listings. Oh, this is from that one iconic episode where Squidward quits his job at the Krusty Krab, and then SpongeBob takes him in and gives him job listings. And yeah, that's a really funny episode. The Collector's Guide. ABC Soup. I know what episode that's from. This is the table. These tables seems like they're easy to put together. Just stick it in. Okay. This is Coral Great Taste in a Can Soup. Not sure if there's anything actually in it. Next, looks to be the top of SpongeBob's pineapple. Whatever these are, I'm not really sure. Some tongs. And then we have a spoon and one of these. Not sure what that is for. I hope one of the other pouches didn't have a spoon. I don't think it would have, but yeah. Okay, this one. Oops. Making a mess on my bed here. Next pouch. This is the seaweed seeds. Oh, this might be for the other one that I just opened up, the other capsule where I'm making burger patties. Next one. A bowl to put the soup in. And then peas. So, and it actually feels like there's peas inside of there, which is really cool. My bed is a mess right now, but I'm going to clean it up here eventually after I film this video. Okay. Let me just set some stuff to the side right here real quick, and then we'll do the next Miniverse capsule. Okay. Next one, I have quite a few of these. These are the Miniverse Make It Mini Taco Bell edition. I accumulated quite a few of these. I just never got around to opening these up until now while I'm filming this video. Okay, leave your guys' comments in the comment section of this video, but in your guys' opinion, which is better? Miniverse, the Make It Minis, where you have to design the foods yourself and make it yourself, or if you like mini brands where you don't have to make the food and it just comes like it is. So let me know your thoughts down below. If I have any subscribers out here that are familiar with Miniverse and mini brands, let me know if you've collected as many as I have and accumulated as many as I have, because I know that there's some collectors out here that like to collect stuff and just accumulate stuff over time. So, nothing wrong with that, as long as you don't become a hoarder. So this is the collector guide. Stuff that's inside this fire bag. We have stuff inside this Diablo bag. And what looks to be like we could be making a Mexican pizza. Because this, I don't want to ruin the box, but this is what the Mexican pizza usually comes in. So we could be making a Mexican pizza here. I'm going to open this box up first. Okay, we have this purple thing. This is Mexican pizza sauce. So I am correct. This is going to be a Mexican pizza once it's all assembled together. We have the tongs. A miniature fire sauce packet, a miniature Diablo sauce packet, the tray to put the Mexican pizza on, the instructions and stuff. Now this is all the other stuff. Okay, we have these little, what looks to be like, oh, these are diced tomatoes. That's pretty accurate. These are refried beans. I wonder if they actually smell like refried beans. Seasoned beef. Mexican pizza shells, and 3 cheese blend. So that's all that came inside of that capsule. And I'm gonna shut this capsule, like close it back up. So that's more like it. Next, I have another one of the Taco Bell Miniverse Make It Minis. I think I accumulated like 4 or 5 of these over time. I don't know why, what possessed me to do that, but I did that. And I accumulated so much. So, yeah. Trying to take the paper off here. Okay. I have a bunch of trash to clean up afterwards, which is fine by me, so yeah. Okay, so getting this one open now. Sometimes it's hard to take the papers off of these Miniverse / Mini Brands capsules. Like, it takes me a minute sometimes, so bear with me. Okay. Oops, almost got that open. Okay. This, from what I can tell, we're going to be making another Mexican pizza because this is the pizza box. So I don't really have to go through all that with you guys because I know what we're going to be making in the end. And I probably will declutter this one because I don't need duplicates of the Mexican pizzas. So we're just going to throw this away as trash. Now, if the other Taco Bell ones have something different for me to consume and like build and put together, I will most certainly do that. But this is trash because I do not need a duplicate. Oh, this is fun. I'm going to open up one of these now. This is the Ulta Beauty Mini Brands Pops Edition capsule. So each character, as you can tell, is holding a different makeup product. And I would really want to get one of the hearts holding one of the makeup products or the star holding the... Either one is fine with me. They're really cute and adorable. So we're going to open one of these up. Lots and lots of trash. Trash all over my bed. I really like the color of this paper for this Ulta Beauty Mini Brands capsule because it's like very ombre effect. So, got the paper off. Okay, we got the star. No, I think this is a flower. It's really cute. We got GJ. So this right here is Gigi, and she is holding a Good Molecules product. So this is Gigi. She's really cute. I'll set that aside right there. That's trash. Next, this is another one of those Miniverse Make It Mini Taco Bell edition. Like I said, I accumulated so many of these, so I'm going to open these up on camera and then dispose of the trash after I'm done filming this video. Okay. Like I said, it does take me a while to open these up. Okay. There we go. If the container that's inside of this might be something different that I can assemble and put together. So we're going to take a look at the components. Okay. We have, it says cheesy gordita crunch and crunchy tacos. So that's what we're going to be making. The stuff to wrap the tacos up in. A bag of, or like a paper bag to put the tacos in if you're taking them to go. This is crunchy taco shells. I want to see if they actually look like taco shells because, oh wow, they actually do. They do look like legit taco shells. That's amazing. Okay. These are the flatbread. Inside this one, it has the seasoned beef, this is the lettuce and cheese that goes on the taco. Now, I know this is fake lettuce, but I would opt not to put the lettuce in these fake tacos as of right now, just in case you have fake Barbie dolls that can't eat the lettuce because of, well, I shouldn't say that, but you get the idea of where I was going with that. The tray and the taco shells to keep them in their taco shape. And then we've got the tongs, of course. Whatever this purple thing is. 3 cheese blend. And that's it. So I don't understand how all this was able to fit inside this one capsule. But it did. Next, we have another one of these mini brands, Ulta Beauty, the Pops edition. I hope I get a different character than that purple flower. I want variety. Ew. I want variety with these. I almost gave myself a little paper cut there. That kind of hurt a little bit. Yeah, that kind of hurt a little bit, but oh well. Oh well. Yeah, it's okay. I have a huge pile of paper on my bed. And this video has already surpassed like 23 minutes or so. 23-ish minutes or so. Shit. I paper cutted myself. I did not expect that to bleed as much as it did. Okay, well, I'm not gonna put the crick of my finger in there because that's what happened, so I'm just gonna be careful when ripping these paper off because I don't want to have a paper cut. I don't want to have an ingrown fingernail because those probably hurt the worst if I had to take a guess. Sorry if I'm being a little too much information here, but I kind of did give myself a bit of a paper cut. So if you're not into that kind of stuff, I would fast forward a little bit. Well, it's not too bad. It's just felt uncomfortable a little bit. Okay, we did get a duplicate. So any duplicates I get, I'm just going to trash these because I don't need these cluttered up in my room. So this will be trash. What was in here? Okay, these are trash. These are just like extras of stuff. Okay. I'm trashing that SpongeBob card. I have a Target receipt. That Squidward is cute, but I don't really need it. Squidward's kind of the sourpuss in SpongeBob. I didn't realize how many Taco Bell mini-verses I had. Like, that's crazy. Okay, on to the next mini-verse, Ulta Beauty Edition. I'm going to be careful when ripping this paper off so I don't give myself any tiny paper cuts. I ripped that off much better. Okay. Oop. That would have been a tear. Okay, I do like the color of these Ulta capsules because the paper is like an ombre effect, which I think is really pretty. So what I'm going to have you guys do now before I open this one up is put fingers crossed emojis, good luck Clover emojis that this is not a duplicate. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, we got a different one. This is the rainbow holding an OPI nail polish. And the rainbow's name is Ruby. Ruby the Rainbow. That's a pretty name for a rainbow. I don't necessarily need to keep the collector's guide. That's really cute. A Taco Bell edition one. If I get the same thing as these tacos, trashing them immediately because these take time. I don't even know why I got so many Taco Bell edition ones. I thought they all might be different. These are gonna be hard to open. Can already tell. Okay. Almost got it. This is like a 27-minute video. It's probably going to be a bit longer than that. So again, if you guys are watching this video up to this point, I do appreciate this because I have filmed long videos on my channel before. I know people have different preferences on the longer type of videos, but I just like filming different videos here and there for you guys because part of being a YouTuber and filming YouTube videos here and there is finding content that you want to film and that you think your audience is going to be a fan of. So I have like 900 some subscribers and I really appreciate all of my subscribers out there. You truly mean the world to me. But finding content that I want to create for you guys, it can be pretty challenging to find the right content to film and sit down and film for you guys. So that's why I am not consistent in filming. Like, I should be better at filming and be more consistent when it comes to filming my YouTube videos because consistency is key when it comes to filming your YouTube videos because if you're not really consistent, people might not watch your YouTube videos as much as you would like them to. So I think this is probably the same thing that I'm going to be putting together. So, yeah. We're just going to get rid of this one altogether because it's the exact same as the other one and I don't need multiple tacos. Okay. Next Taco Bell one. If I had to take a guess, it's going to be another one of those Doritos, Locos, Tacos, something like that. The cheesy gordita crunches. Okay. Opening this one up. I'm wrong that these aren't tacos. That I would have to assemble again, but I think I'm right. I know I'm probably right. Yeah. Okay. I just realized if these are all going to be the same thing that I would be making, I don't have to open them all in this video. I'd never thought of that until just now. Okay. Okay. Same thing because I can see that flatbed box in there. Let's go and switch it up and do another Ulta Beauty one. I've had like 4 or 5 of these, I think. Like I said, I accumulated so many of them. Lots of trash that's gonna need to be cleaned up after this, but oh well. I don't care if there's lots of trash that needs cleaned up. That's the whole point of filming these videos. If you're watching this video still up to this point, thank you very much. I know this is pretty boring seeing me open these, but I wanted to do it for the plot twist. And I know, again, like I said, it's probably pretty boring seeing me unwrap different mini brands / miniverse capsules, but if you're still watching this video up to this point, I appreciate you guys very much. And if you are watching this video up to this point, just comment any of your favorite emojis because you are a true subscriber. So comment down below any of your favorite emojis because I want to know if you're watching this video still up to this point. So yeah, this is not a duplicate. This kind of reminds me of a little donut. It's really pretty. They're holding a glazed donut aftershave oil. I'm pretty sure that that would smell amazing. And the name of that character is Glazy. I think that that's the name. I don't know. Okay. Trash. I have a bunch of pile of trash right here and on this side. Taco Bell. No, I can almost assume that this is going to be the cheesy gordita crunches that I'm going to have to assemble and make. But the only one way to find out is if I just take a chance and open this and hope that it be different. I hope that it would be different. I hope that they don't have me assemble the same thing. Okay. Okay. You know, I can tell. Let me see. I'm almost done opening it, so why not open it all the way? Okay. I know my face should be looking at the camera, and it is here and there, but these are hard to open sometimes. Sometimes you gotta use your teeth, which is not the smartest idea. Sometimes you just gotta do it and use your teeth, which is not the smartest idea. Okay. These are the same thing because I see the flatbread box and the other stuff, so that's going to be trash. No point in keeping that. Another mini brands one, if it's a duplicate, it gets thrown away because I do not need duplicates. Trying to eliminate as many duplicates as I can. Okay. Really pretty packaging. I like the ombre effect. It's ombre effectified. Okay. If anyone can relate to my situation, I have a really messy room and I'm trying to do a bunch of videos today, like 2 to 3 at the least today. But I'm trying to get my room as neat as possible because I'm having a friend spend the night and I would be sleeping on the air mattress and I let my friend have the bed. So I wanted my room to be somewhat neat so we can fit the air mattress in here. Oh, this is my favorite one, absolute favorite one. This is a heart and it's pink. So I'm going to give 2 to my sister because I don't need 4 all to myself. This is another Taco Bell edition one, but this could be something different. So I'm going to open it up and see what I have to assemble. Okay. See what I would have to assemble. Okay. Okay, lots of paper. I want to rip this down the middle as best as I can. I knew that was going to happen again. Gotta be careful with that. I don't want to bleed out in death. Okay. Minor problem here. Okay, got that. Almost got the paper taken off. Just, I don't want that to touch the crick of my fingernail again because that does hurt. Like, it really does hurt a bit. Like, I need to be more careful with that. This could be something different that we're making. Only one way to find out. Gotta get the rest of the paper off. These 2 packets. This does not say what. This is the Cantina chicken bowl. I think that's what we're making. I don't know. Yes, it is. Cantina chicken bowl. Okay. We have the shredded cabbage. This is the cheese, lettuce, and purple cabbage container. This one has the guacamole, beans, and rice container. That's very nifty. Slow roasted chicken. Pico de gallo and sour cream. I hope it's not actual sour cream, but it's something to mimic and look like actual sour cream, which I think is pretty cool. The actual bowl that the chicken cantina bowl comes in. I tried to set everything on. Avocado verde sauce. That's pretty cool and nifty. Tongs, of course, to help you assemble it. A fork for eating afterwards. Have one of these. and one of these. I think that might be it. Okay, that's everything that came in there. So these are keepers. Don't know when I'll actually get free time to do that. Oh my god, this is like a 40-some minute video so far. I knew this video was going to be long, but I didn't expect it to be that long. So if I have subscribers out there that are still watching the video, thank you so much. I appreciate you taking the time to do that. Gonna clutter, free up some space a little bit. There we go. I have a few more in this bag. This is only at Target. Mini Bears Make It Mini Target edition. So these are like common Target items that you would find at Target, like food favorites. Okay. I have a huge pile of trash that I'm going to have to clean up. Totally worth it though. Okay. Almost got this one open. This video is going to take a while to upload. I'm sorry about that, guys. I have like 5 more capsules at the least, maybe 4 after this one. I just never knew I got this many Bears capsules before, but I have some true subscribers out there, and I know they enjoy this content. More so, if I have younger subscribers out there, they enjoy this content more than the older subscribers. Like, I meant, like subscribers that like watching this content. This might be fun for you guys to watch. So, Target stickers. 12. So, food favorites. This is like a little Target shopping bag. We have Good and Gather blueberries. Some favorite day blueberry flavored pancakes and waffle mix. That's pretty cool. The bag that the stuff came in. So I'm going to just set those back in that Target bag. That's really cool. So I'm not sure what we're going to be making. Oh, the iconic Target dog head. Tongs, of course. And then this is a fork because whatever we're making requires you to eat it with a fork. This is a tray to set everything on. And then this. Favorite day original syrup. That's pretty cool if I had to say so myself. Not sure what we're assembling exactly, but that's pretty cool. Next, another Target edition one. Looks like we could be making some Target dog cookies. Okay, about to take the paper off of this. Okay, collector's guide, stickers. We have what this kind of got all over the place. and sticky. Kettle corn in a Target bag. And then the utensils. This one I think I'm going to throw out because one of the components got a little messy. So this is going to be trash. That was fun to open up. Whatever that was, it got a little messy. This is Mini Brands Books Series 2. So it's going to have all different books in here. I don't know if I ever opened up the Series 1 edition of the books series, but this is Series 2. I like that the packaging for this paper and series of the book series is navy blue. Any type of blue would have to be my favorite color. So, oh, well that just popped out of nowhere. Okay, we have a couple of different pouches. The collector's guide, I don't know if I'm going to keep that. This first book is the Three Musketeers, Alexander Dumas. Next book, these pages, you could probably...
Going to the urology office.
These pages, you could actually read the stuff on them. It might be a bit tiny, but it's readable. This next book title is The Art of War, Sun Tzu's. Never heard of that before. Next book is The Secret Garden. Seems like an interesting book title. And Something to Assemble, which I'm not going to keep this because I don't want to take the time to assemble anything. So we're going to get rid of that. Okay. Next is Mini Brands Create Disney Snacks Edition. This should be fun to open up. We're getting down to the last couple capsules. I have this one and then another one to open up, and then that's it. And then this video will be concluded after that. So we're looking at maybe a 49 to 50-ish minute video, as long as I don't do too much talking. But here we go. Oh, guys, after this video is uploaded, and I don't typically edit my videos, I should learn how to do that, but after this video is uploaded to my channel, if you hear my dad say something in the background, it's because he does. So I just wanted to make that little statement here. If my dad says something I just wanted to say a little statement here. If you hear that my dad said something to me in this video, because you can hear him through the door because he said something to me a little bit ago, I just wanted to let you guys know that that was my dad telling me that they were going somewhere, in case any of you guys watch this video from beginning to end and you are true subscribers for watching this video from beginning to end once it's uploaded. But if you do watch it from beginning to end once it's fully uploaded, my dad says something to me closer towards the end of the video that they are going somewhere, so you might hear him say something. Just thought I'd let you guys know that. Okay. This is whatever we're assembling. Collector's guide. If this is time consuming to put together, I might just get rid of this altogether. These are sprinkles. Looks like we could be making a milkshake of some sort. This is some sort of something. I'm not sure what that is. I have a lot of trash on my bed, if you guys couldn't already tell. Okay. This is a light, like the UV light. Tongs. And what could be more sprinkles. This is a Little Mermaid themed dessert that I think we're making. Oh, the fork, because I don't know why it gave me a fork. Okay. The little icing tip. Purple fruit tea, something like that. Green fruit tea. This must be an Ariel inspired drink because I'm seeing a lot of Ariel themed packaging. Whipped cream glue. That's probably for whipped cream. Another one of these. And another like little icing tube type thing. That's a lot to put together. This is really neat and time consuming, but I don't have the time to ever assemble this, so this was fun to open. It's going to be some sort of Ariel Disney snacks dessert, but I don't have the time to actually assemble this and put this together. But it was really fun to open. I'm just trying not to have my room be as messy as it is right now because I never do room tours on my channel, but if I was, you guys would get the point that my room is really messy. This is the last mini brands / miniverse capsule that I'm opening up for you guys. Again, you guys are true subscribers for sticking along with me this whole time and watching this video. I really appreciate you guys. Okay. Okay. This is the book series. I had 2 of these capsules, so I don't need the collector's guide. It's going to make things easier for when I throw stuff away. I have a huge pile. Okay. First book is Forever in Blue by someone. Never heard of that before. This seems like I'm going to, something, I don't want to assemble a shelf. The next book, what was that? Oh, a bookmark. I didn't know any of these books were going to come out with bookmarks. This is a bookmark. And we just got a book called Tom Sawyer something. And then the next book, this is another The Secret Garden. So, thank you guys for watching this video and watching this video from beginning to end. That concludes me opening up all of my different miniverse / mini brands capsules. Thank you guys for sticking with me, watching this whole video from beginning to end. You guys are true subscribers, but I'm gonna let you guys go because this has been a really long video and I need to get this uploaded and see how long this takes to upload. But until then, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. And also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please leave a comment down below. Anything that you would like to leave is acceptable, so just don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment, like, and subscribe because it would really help out my YouTube channel and all of my YouTube videos. But again, without further ado, I'm going to let you guys go. And thank you for watching this video from beginning to end. You truly are a really wonderful subscriber. Talk to you guys in my next video.